I didn't notice where we were, but the last part of the first part, part one of the articles, the Apostles' Creed, is do we still have the image of God? Well, how would you, besides reading it? Okay. Do we still have the image of God? Yes. Okay. The answer is yes, but what's the but part?
Corrupted.
It's corrupted, right? All right. Because we have given into sin. Okay. So are we fully the image of God? No, we're not perfect at all. Not in any way. Matter of fact, if you look at Genesis chapter 5, verse 3, it says, and I always find it interesting how it says this, okay, that when Adam had lived 130 years, he fathered a son in his own likeness. Now we are all that corrupt child of God that we have. Seriously, Darren, why do you got to be like that? But we all have that image of God that we were created in, but it is now corrupted because of the fall into sin. And so as it says here in Small Catechism, I don't know if you want to put the power or the slideshow back on, because I can't.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, you can scroll down, I guess, if you wanted to be over there.
Play icon.
But as I said, it says, since the fall into sin, we lost the ability to live by faith in God, in perfect love toward one another, and in a proper relationship to creation, which is that original righteousness. In this sense, we have lost the image of God. We don't have that perfectness about us anymore. Our hearts are deceitful. A lot of people would claim that, no, it's whatever your heart says, or our hearts are good. No, our hearts are deceitful. It says that in the Bible. So we have lost that ability to truly understand and trust God fully, 100% completely. I know we'd like to. I don't know about you guys, but I mean, if you're honest with yourself, do you trust God 100%? No, you don't. I like to say that I do, but I know that I don't. Right? So, because I get so caught up into, no, this way is better, and I'm going to try it my way, and usually that leads to something not good. Hopefully it just doesn't lead to something not truly, truly bad or evil, but it's usually something not good. So, go back to the next question. There it is. Okay, will we ever then regain that image of God? Well, the answer is yes. In Christ, the restoration of God's image is in us has begun, but in this life it's only the beginning, and it will only be fully restored on the last day.